Authors Craig Rund and Tim Flanagan once said that the better able team members are to engage, speak, listen, hear, interpret, and respond constructively, the more likely their teams are to leverage conflict rather than be leveled by it. And as the new coronavirus pandemic continues to rise and spread across our nation, Americans must be reminded that it takes a team and a community to protect those around us and ultimately our nation as a whole. Which is why every citizen should be informed and do what they can by wearing a mask in public, especially those that are low risk or young or who may be asymptomatic. The New York Times finds on April 1st of 2020 that as many as 25% of people infected with the new coronavirus may not show symptoms, the director for the Center for Disease Control and Prevention warns. The fact that young people are just going on with their daily lives and not taking these preventative measures directly contributes to the rapid spread of the virus. So by doing these things, you're not only protecting yourself, but those around you that could potentially be extremely high risk. So what's the big deal with wearing a mask anyways? The Guardian on April 1st of 2020 finds that masks are effective at capturing droplets, which is the main transmission route of the coronavirus. And many studies have shown that something, even a simple cloth homemade mask like this, is better than nothing at all. And further, The Atlantic finds on April 1st of 2020 that if widely used, masks could signal that society is taking the pandemic threat seriously. They might reduce the stigma placed on sick people who would no longer feel ashamed or signaled out for wearing one. They could offer reassurance to people who don't have the privilege of isolating themselves at home and must continue to work in public spaces. So by wearing these masks, not only are you protecting yourself, but those around you, and you're creating a sense of unity, which is so important in a time of crisis like these. And if you're from the Wiley or the Murphy area, or you're familiar with our school districts, I'm sure you've heard the term the Wiley Way. It's just simply a term that we use to remind ourselves and those around us to respect and act kindly towards those in our community. Which is why I encourage those around you and I encourage us to spread the Wiley Way and not the virus, and wear a mask when going in public places, to wash your hands frequently, and to practice social distancing measures if you must go out. Thank you.